Hi everyone, myself Harshita, a first year MBBS student at GMC Nagpur. So, this video is especially for the NEET UG aspirants. As we all know that it's very high time and we are so close to our NEET UG 2025. So in these days, the most of the NEET UG aspirants are suffering from the panic attacks or something like that. Like everyone is in having a some panic situation. So, see what happened. First of all, you should know this thing that you are not the only one who is suffering from this. The lots of people and the lots of students are also having the same problems. Even I was also having had the same problem when I was preparing for the NEET exam. Okay, so what I used to do is, okay, let's take a condition. There are two type of students in these days. The one who have already completed the syllabus once and the one who is still struggling with their syllabus. So the students who had already completed the syllabus is already in a win situation. Okay, so the students who did not completed the syllabus yet, for them, I should suggest you some strategy that give your 60% time to the new topics and give your 40% times about 40% time to the revisions till 15 to 16 March. See what happened after 15 to 16 March, the panic is on very high level. That तुम्हें ऐसा लगेगा कि यार ये भी नहीं हुआ, रिवीजन भी नहीं हुआ, तो आप नए टॉपिक नहीं पढ़ सकते उस वक्त. एंड इनफैक्ट यू विल नॉट एबल टू लाइक रिमाइंड द थिंग्स एट दैट टाइम. Your mind is not able to gain the new things. So for 15 to 16th March, try to cover maximum new topics as you can do, and give a little bit revisions also, as you have to give the mock test also at side by side na. Okay, and the students who have already completed the syllabus, for them try to revise the syllabus with the help of question practices. It's very important. See what happened कि जब आप if you do a lot of question practice, then they are when sometimes what happen कि जब हम पढ़ रहे होते हैं we skip some topics, but in revision, at the time of revision, when we are practicing the questions as much as, then we will able to cover up that topics which we have left in that theory na. Okay, so try to do as much as question practice you can do, like for you also from 15th to 16th March, because after 15th to 16th March you have to do revisions of your theory and notes, because you should try to remind each and every concept very properly in the NEET exam, as the paper is almost from NCRTs, as we all know from the previous trends. So try to remember the every line of NCRT. Oh yes, and after that you have to analyze your mock test and give the lots of mock tests as you can. And how to analyze a mock test, I had video. I had already made a video on that, so do watch that video. You will get a better strategy to analyze that mock test properly. And yes, that's all from my side. And if you want that I should make a long video on how to start the revision, from which chapters you should start the revision, then I will make that. Do comment me. Okay. Okay, that's all from my side. Have a very, very, very good preparations ahead, and keep rocking, guys. You will be the future doctors. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much, everyone. Do like, comment, and share if you like. Bye.